Hello, good afternoon, it's Richard here. You all know me quite well now, and one of the things I love to do on a hot, steamy, sticky, humid afternoon is to clean the oven. Yeah, no, seriously, I do. Anyhow, today's Wily Wednesday is all about cleaning the oven racks. Yes, they do need to be cleaned. Sometimes. And the easiest way to do it is to use bicarbonate of soda. Yes, bicarbonate of soda. Have I mentioned that product before? I think maybe I have. So, here's a little look at how I give my racks the once over. Yes, on a hot, steamy, sweaty, humid day, where I'm wearing probably the wrong kind of t-shirt. It was cold earlier, honestly. So this is the rack that I'm going to clean. This is from the grill. I really don't understand how they get so dirty, to be honest. Let's see if you can pick that up a bit closer. So you can see it's pretty dirty. And it's got a, good build-up of grease and goodness knows what. I'm going to get that off. Probably won't be able to get all of it off, but I'm going to get the majority off. And it's going to be fairly pain-free. Now this sink is a Belfast sink, so it's absolutely ideal for this kind of job. First of all, I'm going to run about a couple of inches of hot water. I always buy these 5 kilogram tubs of sodium bicarbonate, and this particular one is 100% pure, GMO, paraben, aluminium free, and I buy it from a well-known online retailer. Now to this hot water, I'm going to add, this is going to seem quite a lot, but it's also going to clean my drain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is enough to do all of your racks in one go. I'm just doing one to show you. Give that a swirl around, take any diamond rings off. I've taken all my diamonds off already. Give it a swirl around, just to dissolve all of it. Put your rack in. And leave it. I'm going to leave it for probably about 5-10 minutes. So it's been about 10 minutes. Let's have a look. Take a sponge that you used to clean with. I don't know whether you can see that. But basically, all that excess grease just slides off. Can you see? It's literally coming off on my hands. Let's turn it over. You see that? It's really greasy. Really greasy. Let's give it a rub. There you go. So that is the cleaning power of bicarbonate of soda. You don't need to use harsh chemicals that frankly you're releasing into the environment by sending them down the plug hole. So as you can see from the colour of the water, you can tell how much of that dirt has been lifted by the bicarb. Now look, I'm not going to lie to you, there will be some stubborn areas. So I don't know whether you can see on this side, there are a few really burnt on bits, which, you know, will take a little bit more scrubbing, but the longer you leave it, the more work it will do. And actually, if you give it a really hard scrub, see, they're coming off. Be careful not to scratch your sink. You can put a tea towel down if you want to, if you're frightened of scratching your Belfast sink, which I think I've already done. If you give them a really hard scrub, they will start to, see, that one's starting to come off. Just leave it for longer. But I think you'll agree that that's a lot better than before. So here's the before, and here's the after. There you have it. Now, let's get real. It's not going to remove all of those burnt on bits, those really burnt on bits, without a little bit of elbow grease. And for those of you who don't know what elbow grease is, it means to do it hard. Push, do it hard. Yeah? Give it a good scrub. Get some of that energy. Get your elbows going. Like that. Scrub. That's what it means. Scrub hard. Do it hard and good. So yes, but you will get the majority of that greasy film that's hard to get off with soapy water. And you don't have to use any harsh chemicals. No guilt when it slips down the plug hole. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this, and we'll see you very soon for the next show. Bye for now. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.